staying stiff like this, I know that you went to, I don't know where you went to buy your hair from.
Few things are as powerful as love. Love it. Poison is yet beautiful. Love. Love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. My name is Nazi. If you're new here, welcome. Karibu Sana. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to try on some wigs. I'm really excited about this video because I haven't done anything like this before. I have not even done any fashion haul, which I'm going to be doing that very soon. I wanted to buy hair for the longest time. Because of this pandemic, it was not actually advisable for me to buy hair. I know somebody here, so I went to her shop in town. I almost ran away like with all the hairs I saw inside our place. I just went there to actually see her shop. I did not go there to buy hair. And I came back with a bag full of hair, which I dropped at the entrance. Came in alone to be sure my husband was not around. Then I ran back, took my hair from outside. I had to hide it inside my closet. Anyway, so I want to show you guys what these hairs look like. And the reason why I'm doing this, the fact that, guys, I am so skeptical buying hair that's not human hair. The first experience I had, oh Jehovah, the first experience I had, the hair I bought that was not human hair. I bought this hair from this big popular online store. First of all, the hair was cheap. So I was just telling myself, how come this hair is cheap like this? But it's looking very nice. Let me just try it. You know, it's not every time you have expensive things. Do you understand? It's good for you to mix and match. The hair, first of all, the closure was doing me somehow. And that period was the time we went to Diani, Mombasa, and the hair became like sponge. It was so hard. Like, I hope, oh God, if you guys know my husband, he can insult and laugh, especially at me. So he laughed at me like I couldn't wear that hair anymore. I threw that hair away. Ever since then, I promised myself I will never buy hair that is not human hair. So without further ado, guys, I've been talking too much. Let's just jump right into this video. Hair number one. I love hairs like this. I think this just reminds me of my natural hair because my natural hair is coily like this and it's really jet black. I like coily hair basically. I like full hair, big hair. So you can style it anyhow. You can do this or you can do this. Just try and like finger comb it to make it look very full and bigger. Just finger comb it like this to make it look bigger like this. So you can wear it like this or you can bring some in front and do this. Yes, you can do this. It looks very nice, right? Let me tell you guys, I bought this hair for 4,500, which is very affordable. She sells all her semi-human hairs for 4,500 shillings, which is $45. This is one of it. This is like semi-human. It's not human hair, not totally human hair, but you can't tell. Like it's bouncy, it's moving. What I like about human hair is the fact that it moves very well. It bounces when you're walking, like it does this movement. No, it doesn't stay stiff like this. When I see your hair staying stiff like this, I know that you went to, I don't know where you went to buy your hair from. When you're walking like this, and you do your hair like this, and your hair is flying up. Side it like this, you can do this. Or you just play around with the hair until you get your desired style, you know? The name of her store is 5-Star Beauty. 5-Star Beauty. Love it. I love how it's bouncy. It's time for me to put on wig number 2. So this is wig number 2. It's really full. and it already has like baby hairs in front, which I don't intend to style during this try on haul because I need to like wear the other wigs. But this is what it looks like. I've worn this wig before and I styled it to like put like gel and everything to lay my baby hair. So to lay the baby hair, not my baby hair. So it has this really nice knot, kind of, I don't know, is it knots or packing in front here. I'm just going to brush it. This side, or take it to this other side and brush here very well. You can do this, you can do it the other way, or you can actually separate the knots here, whatever this is called, and just put it down on both sides. And this is what it looks like. It's really nice, very full. I love it, love it. I don't have anything like this. So when I saw this, I was like, I need to try this. It's like a ponytail, giving that pussycat dolls kind of vibe, you know. Yay! It looks very nice. Looks very nice. And of course, it's shedding, but it's not shedding crazily. Just minimal shedding. So which is expected from any hair, even your natural hair sheds. So if you see any human hair that is not shedding, they brought that human hair from the grave. But it depends on the quantity of hair that comes out. That's where you determine, okay, this is actually not original. So guys, this is what it looks like. So I can do this, take it like this, and you can actually bring it to the front like this. Depends on how crazy I want to look. So hope you guys like this try on haul so far. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can hit the subscription button right now so you don't forget. Yay! Thank you for subscribing. So guys, this is wig number 3. How you guys feeling this wig? It's very nice, very sleek and very chic. I love it. Even though the wig cap is not exactly my size, but I had to take it because I've always wanted to have this kind of hair, like straight hair with a lot of highlights in it. I love this hair. I like the fact that it's not black and it's not like one color. It has like highlights of pink, gray, it has ash, it has brown, it has different colors. Like finally, the last hair I'm going to try on. This has been so exciting and interesting. I can't believe that my wig try-on haul is coming to an end, but I'm going to be doing this more often, yeah? So yeah guys, let's try the last wig and I'll be right back. Guys, this is actually the last hair. I love this hair. I love the fact that it's not black. I don't have any problem with black hair and it's so easy to brush. This is what it looks like, loose coils, yeah, and it's like black and brown highlight kind of vibe. It's coily and the coils are loose and I don't have to coil it every time I want to wear it because it's permanently coiled like this. Again, it's bouncy, like there's movement, you know, it's moving. See, guys, see. So guys, this is actually the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this wig try on haul. And yeah, this is basically it. I love all these hairs and I mean, I don't think you need to break the bank to look good. There's something out there for every single person. Anything you have, there's something out there for you to make you look good. Look out there, get something really nice and feel fabulous. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember, have a blessed day and stay fabulous. Mwah!